if you can see me. This is crazy out here. Look at this snow. Can you see it? It's blowing like all different directions. This is the most craziest thing ever. Did you see how it's blowing? It's blowing in all different ways. I cannot believe this storm, and it's only just getting started. Man.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling.
Hey, welcome back to Thea's Bunch. It's just me, and I decided to go to the local store. Can you believe this crap? Look at this. I don't know if you can see it real well. It's kind of dark right now. Probably see it a little better with the light. But this stuff is deep. Like, it ain't no joke. Like, it's all the way up, like halfway past my leg already. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. This is crazy. I can't believe this. Look at this. We're gonna go on the street. Even in the street, it's steep. You see? It's crazy. For those people that say they want some snow, they can have this. Ooh. I'm just going to our local little store. I had to get a couple things. And it's not that far of a walk, but I'm starting to debate this now. But you can see. I don't know if the light's good enough for you to see it all. I know you could hear that wind. That wind ain't no joke. But yeah, so that's what's going on here tonight. See this? This is crazy. This stuff is coming down hard. I don't know. Right now I think I'm jealous of the people that actually have pools. And it's warm. Because this is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This is like the old-fashioned way, how I remember it used to look. Crazy. This is real crazy. This is the way I remember when I was growing up, when I was real small. home when it was more magical. Maybe that's what we need this year, some more magic. Some more good memories. Especially since we're creative beings. Seems like all that stuff, you create good things, and good things come back. We need a good blessing, and they say snow is cleansing, so maybe that'll help. In the meantime, here's one of nature's wonders. It sure is. This snowstorm. Be safe out there. Watch the roads. Obviously, they're real slippery. These hills around here are not a joke. They're just not a joke. Like, that's why I'm walking. Otherwise, I'd be driving. Everybody stay safe out there.